I'm cold, but I'm hot too. So happy New Year, babies! Hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Woohoo! Oh, hello, everyone. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Have a great day, amazing day. Also, I'm like trying to find like perfect life. Okay, I don't look like a fair and lovely model, but the sunlight wants me to look like a fair and lovely model today. Okay, let's just start. Okay, thought of recording everything today because today is the 1st of Jan and I have to like balance so many things today. Woohoo. So I'll just tell you one quick fact about me. Also, did you hear Kuda? Yeah, let me continue. So also, let me tell a quick fact about me. If you know me, on 1st of Jan, I have to like balance everything and I have to like irritate people and say, okay, जो तू आज करेगी वो तू पूरी साल करेगी जो तू आज करेगी वो तू पूरी साल करेगी जो तू जब तक सामने वाला इरिटेट ना हो जाए. So this is me, other with Tejaswi. So yeah, so today I have to like balance and I thought of recording whatever I do, like whatever, because this is what I'm going to do the whole year. But exactly, I'm like really optimistic that Corona will end and colleges may open and things like that. But still, it's a starting, so we gotta be like balance everything and all. So yeah, I woke up in the morning. As you can see, I woke up. Also, I had a bath, washed my hair. That's why my hair is like this. I just came out of shower. I didn't record much since the morning because it was competition time. Who is going to like bath? Otherwise my dad would like get into the washroom, and I don't want that to happen. So I just went. So since the morning, what I did, I just made up my bed and then had a bath. Also, I meditated in the morning. First thing in the morning, I meditated on 1st of January 2021. Woohoo! I didn't record any of this because I forget to record half of the things. But now I'm going to record everything. So right now I think I will have my breakfast first and then I'll start planning my day because we love planning. So yeah, babies, what's next? Wow. So yeah, babies, let's meet you real soon after I eat my breaky. Bye. Bye. I'm back. So I'm done with my breakfast and then I use my phone for some time, like more than an hour. Then I use my phone and yeah, I'm back. So now I'm going to like plan my day because today we have to like balance everything. So let's write some things that we have to do today. It's gonna be that day. Also in my to-do list today's special is gonna be study Tejaswi because what we do today we'll do the entire year. So I really want to study in 2021. I want to, so I will study today so that I study the whole year. So let's plan a day. Let's go. So let's start planning our day. So I'm using my planner for the first time, and yesterday I did fill out some details like my name, So this planner belongs to Tejaswi Manwachi. So yeah, so I did fill some details and let's move to the other page. For this page I will stick pictures today and I won't show it to you. Okay, so today's first. No, today's not first, Tejasvi. Today's first. Today's Friday. Okay. They should have like written the dates because I'm getting confused. I really am. 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 7 5 to 35. Okay.
2,000 years later.
Month with, and for the month also I have to like take one word, but all the word for January is going to be something that you can just guess. It's going to be balance. So I'll start the month with balance. Balance is gonna be my word for the month. Yeah, balance for the whole month. Then for the monthly goals, I don't want to fill this right now because like I will definitely add and subtract things.
Okay, so first goal is definitely gonna be study, because I have my exams coming up in Jan only, and then there are going to be exams in Feb too. So I really have to like study finally. Also, my college is like planning. Maybe we are not sure, but maybe we will have offline exams, and if this happens, we will be dead. So yeah, can't really take no risk no more.
The thing about undated planners are that they are so annoying, and I really don't like them, and I am understanding it right now. Because if we write here, this is a Friday, and then these three will be left, and then I have other pages. Hello everyone. So the thing is, I had to like stop making the video because my phone is like such a cute patootu, I can't. So what happened, I was like talking and I just had this urge to check my phone, and then I checked, okay, the video was not recording, and I was like बहुत गुस्सा आया मेरे को. The thing is, I had written almost everything, and I was talking for 15 minutes straight, and then I was like, okay, let's just check our phone, and I stood up and I was just barking like that. So let's just open our planner, and I'll just tell you what I'm going to do today in short. Okay, so for today, that's Friday and our first day of Jan. The first thing was I had to like meditate, which I did in the morning. So I completed one task already, and also I had to bath, which I also did. Then the third thing was to film this first January video, which I'm doing right now. Task is studying, because like I really need to, and I believe in this, that if I somehow study today, even for 5 minutes, then I will end up studying the whole year, and I really want to. My exams are coming, I really want to. So today I will study even for 5 minutes, but I will study because we gotta top. I was not going to say we gotta pass, we gotta top. Okay, top karenge. We gotta top. We are toppers. Okay, we are toppers, you and me, we both are toppers. Start studying. Okay, start studying. We both are toppers. All the best. All the best. And the next thing was that I had to like edit my video, which is like today's task. So this is because I always end up editing my video in one day only. And like I think like I'm such a superhero, I will do everything at once, and then I edit whole video at one sitting, and then my eyes are like dead, and they're like, Tejasvi, please leave us, please. So I really don't want to do this to my eyes. You see sadness, both of these babies are crying. Get a tempered glass for my phone, because it's like it's done. Half of the time when I'm taking my classes, it's like there is like a area which is completely black, and then there is an area that is completely white. I'm like, what is this? What is this? So I will get a new tempered glass, because I'm an engineer. Yes, I am. And I like studied and did my own thesis and realized that's because of my tempered glass. So I'm gonna get a new one today. So that gets that today I'm going to go for a walk, because I believe if I go for a walk today, then I will walk whole 2021. Means I am like very optimist that corona is going to end and 2021 colleges will start and we'll meet our friends and everything like that. So if I go for a walk and get work done, then everything will happen, because I did it on the first day. So it will happen the whole year. This is who I am. I'll just keep on repeating this 50 times, because whatever I do today, I will do entire year. That's my theory. Apart from that, my list says have a dance party. I did have a small dance party like in the morning before I had a bath, and during my bath time, and in the washroom too. And maybe I'll have a second dance party, at night. Most difficult thing, I'm shy. I really don't want to say this. That's sleep on time. So yeah, it's my list. In my list, and there are almost 9 to 10 things that I've written for my to-do list, and I really feel like, yeah, Tejasvi, these are like too less. And I tell you, I won't even do each one of them till it's 6 p.m. today, and yet I have this urge to add 50 more tasks to the list. I just made such a long to-do list, and then because I have to do this and this and this and this and this, for obvious reason everything doesn't get completed, and I'm like, you didn't manage everything. Stupid they just be. But I'm not stupid, I'm smart. I'm an engineer. Yes, I am. So yeah, this is what I have to do. So I'll just cut some things which I have done. That is meditation. So I'll just put a cross. This is my to-do list. You are obviously okay, you can see. So I'll put a cross, and then I did bath. So 2 of the things are done. Yeah, let's see what happens now. Let's see what we do the entire day. So this was about my plan for the day. Let's go. Hello. So I've decided to go to the market, and also this is my phone's cover. This is my phone's cover. I'm thinking of changing this for 2021. This is my outfit for the day. Oh my god, I can't even show. So this is me with my outfit for the day. La la la. Nothing special, bros. Also you'd be thinking, is it too cold, Tejasvi? I feel very cold. So let's go. Back from the market, and I got a new tempered glass, and my phone is looking kind of clean. Also, I wanted to eat momos, but the shop was closed. So I just walked and talked to my friend and walked, and now I'm back, and it's 7. It was almost 5:30 when I went. 5:30, and now it's 7. Now I'm going to relax, by which I mean I'm going to use my phone, and I still have to study. I did start editing the video, but then I stopped because I thought of going to the market. So the things that are still left are basically yoga, and then apart from yoga I have to do studying is like left. And the third thing is I have to like edit some video. Yeah, so let's go. Also, it's like very cold outside. I'm cold, but I'm hot too. So I just completed my yoga workout sort of thing, and this is the thing is I did yoga after such a long time. I don't remember when I did. Look, I don't even remember the last time when I practiced. Well, I used to do yoga in between, but it was like only for 2 minutes just to tell myself that you're doing yoga. But after so much time I did yoga, and I'm feeling so calm, to be honest. I'm in a zen mode. You can already tell. So I'll just wear clothes again, otherwise my dad will be like, wear some clothes, otherwise you will get in there now. So yeah, I'll just wear my jacket, and now the only thing that's remaining from my to-do list is studying, and then it's second thing that's remaining is to sleep on time. So sleep on time we can tackle, but studying we haven't done. That's what we do. So also, yeah, so I don't want to talk much, but because I just completed yoga, but I wanted to update you guys that I did it. Day 1 complete. We'll update again.